Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be showing you live trade what we did today, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me show you the live trade what we did today. So guys, yes, today is 3rd of November. So now we'll be doing the live intraday trading. So let's check out pre-open market data now, how the market is opening today. So right now the pre-open market is closed, and yes, Nifty 50 is opening at 11,734.45. That is 0.56% up. So market is gap up today, and advanced stocks are 43, declines are 7, and unchanged are 0. Okay, so all the stocks are opening with some of the movement, and NTPC is opening at 2.52% up. ICICI Bank is opening at 1.81% up, and LE is opening at 1.68% up. So let's see the stocks which are opening in the gap down. So not much of a gap down here. So HDFC with 0.53% down, UPL with only 0.21% down, and IOC with 0.19% down. So this is how the pre-open market is looking. So in few minutes I will be selecting the stock and I'll be doing intraday trading. So I'll be telling you what stock I pick and where I'll be entering and everything. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So guys, right now I have selected SBIN to trade. So we'll be trading in SBIN stock today. So once I take a buy or sell entry, I'll update you guys. Okay, but the stock today what I'll be trading is on SBIN. So waiting for my entry. So market is almost like 0.86% up. So we'll see how the market will perform. So guys, right now I'm in a buy position of SBIN. So I bought it around 201.50, and my target will be 1 rupee, that is 0.5% target. So we'll see how this stock will perform right now. So still in the level where I bought it. So guys, if you can see, there is a little bit of resistance there on 201.50 and 60. So once this resistance get broken, I think the stock will go up easily. So yes, the market, as you can see in the top left side, the market is already 0.91% up. So yes, as you can see here, this is the Nifty 50 chart. It is going up, and yes, SBI is also continuing to go up. So 202 almost now. Yes, as we predicted, once it broke 201.50, it has gone up. It has touched 201.95. And as you guys can see in the market depth, even at 202, there's a big quantity. So if that breaks, the stock will go higher again. So a lot of resistance in this areas. So waiting for 202 to break. So guys, yes, if you can see here, 202 just got broke and it is going higher now. So 202.15, 202.20, yes. If it's hitting 202.50, my target will be done. 40 now, and yes, Nifty 50 is almost 1.06% up. If you can see in the top left, and this is the Nifty 50 chart what you're seeing now. And yes, my target is almost coming. Yes, 202.45 and 50. Yes, it should break the 50 and go higher. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, the SBI is making high now. So yes, it did take some time to go up, and after it started to go up, it is almost around 203 now, as you guys can see. And even the Nifty 50 performed very well now. Okay, so the market went up like almost 1.09% up, like 1.1% up, and I managed to book my profit somewhere around here now on SBI and trade. Okay, so yes, so this was the profit what I was able to achieve today in today's trade of SBIN. So yes, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. So yes, as you guys know, I bought it around 201.50 and the stock is now up. It is continuing to go and make higher highs now. So yes, this was the performance by SBIN today. So this was the trade what we did and booked the profit. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover the losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. So you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.